the last video I showed you a new technique actually in this channel, to the lineal cut. I took out some of my art, what I have done for a couple years ago. I called them the Polaroid series, or the Polaroid animals. And I wanted to make stamps out of it. You can look at it and see how I did it. And I want to do more of it, so a little series coming up. But more important, the next video is a special day. It is 4 years anniversary of this channel. And we thought of doing something different. Yeah, but I don't want to talk about it now very much. Just be surprised.
And what is today?
What is today? Maybe you have seen I also do a lot of macrame, different kinds of different art of macrame. Today in this video I want to show you how to do this macrame earrings, set of earrings and bracelet by yourself. And join me doing those jewelries. Let's go.
Do you have everything?
I do. Let's start. So the first step is to cut the strings in the right measurements. So I need something to measure and something to cut. And we're gonna take for one earring 9 times 50 centimeters for one earring. So this is 40, 50. Now I show you how the knots work. This is probably the most important. Make sure that the hook goes to the back, because you want to see your pattern in the front when the earring is hanging. With this one I did the first section here, and now I start to go and do these knots to both sides. First I concentrate on the left section, or the right section, doesn't matter. But in this case, I just concentrate on the left section. I use my right hand to hold always this thread, and my left hand to do the knotting. The hand which holds the thread, this straight thread, is always still, never does anything except the folding. It's a big part. You can easily form it with your hands when it's a little bit bent. Now we come to the next part, which is these lines. So, and as you see on the first earring, I want to do it a little bit mirroring, so it's not exactly the same, that the pattern mirrors. So here on the second face I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on. First section I just did one side and then the other side. Here, as you will see, started on that one on this side and then that side. Finally we got to the end. Here we are. We have 5 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. To put the last bead on the bottom, I take both of the threads and put the bead through both of them again. Need a little bit patience for that. Push it way on top. Now I do the same knot again. Zack. So uno and dos.
And now?
Now comes the interesting part. I cannot just cut it. I need to also seal it so that the knots don't open. The bottom one. I push them a little bit to the back. Voila!